Welcome, I'm Dr. Geoff Abrams of Abrams Chiropractic here in Greenville, South Carolina. And today I'm going to talk to you about tendonitis and what you can do for tennis elbow. A lot of times patients will come in and they'll have pain in their arm right here, and it happens typically for two reasons. Number one, a micro accumulated trauma, maybe basically repetitive motion. And then the second reason is if they have a poor diet, one that's high in grains and sugars, because it causes inflammation at the cellular level. So what we have patients do if they are on a bad diet, we alter their diet to get them off of the grains and the sugars that are causing the inflammation, but then also we work on them physically. So Whitney is my guest patient today, and we're gonna illustrate what we do in order to heal tendonitis without drugs or surgery. So what we're gonna do is use iStem, which is an instrument, soft tissue mobilization, using breaking up the adhesions and the scar tissue in that area. So all Whitney's going to do is just kind of relax, and we're just going to break up those soft tissue, tender trigger points that are in that area. And then what you're going to do is kind of do that active release that I showed you earlier. Good. We're using active release as well in respects to the instrument, which is going to actually hit it from a functional standpoint, not just statically, just in one motion. Okay, and the other motion that we're going to have you do is, yep, there you go. Turn it in and turn it out. Just, yep, rotate. Just kind of rotate in and out. Sorry. Yeah, no worries. All right. So what I'm actually able to do is hit different angles of the muscles that I can't get to if I was just to press on it. And that enables it to break up and really release and get rid of all the inflammation and make the patient feel a lot better. Okay? So that's one technique that we use here at the clinic in order to get someone who has tendonitis better, or tennis elbow. The other aspect that we will do is what we use is what's called as an ultrasound machine. And what ultrasound does is sends deep penetrating sound frequencies into the muscles, and the muscles will act like a sponge and actually absorb those frequencies, and it'll break up a lot of that swelling, and therefore the patient will feel a lot better. Okay? Now there are two other home remedies that I'm going to recommend for you to do that you can do on your own at your house. And then one is if you buy one of these little rollers. And you can buy these rollers at Dick's Sporting Goods, or you can buy it at your local sporting goods store. But what we're going to do is you're going to take this roller and you're going to rub it up against the wall. And you're just going to go up and down in different angles to break up some of that tension that's in the elbow, okay, or the muscles around the elbow. Now, if you don't want to spend the 20 bucks, what you can do is very gingerly put your elbow and your muscles right up and through here and just kind of gravitate going up and down, breaking up all those tender nodules that are in there. I guarantee if you have tendonitis, you will have a lot of tender spots within those muscles, okay? The last thing that I would recommend for you to do at home is to take an Epsom salt bath, okay? You take 1 cup of Epsom salts, put it in a hot bathtub, make sure that you soak yourself up to your neck right about here, sit in about 10 to 15 minutes, and that Epsom salt will suck a lot of the inflammation out of the joint. So that's it. If you need to contact us, you can contact us at Abrams Chiropractic, or abramschiropracticcare.com. And once again, I'm Dr. Geoff Abrams. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.